Today we're gonna decode both content writing and copywriting. Content writing versus copywriting. What is it different and why it matters? Content writing and copywriting are the two important skills in the digital marketing world. These words may sound similar, but they have very different purposes. Understanding the difference can help you choose which path is right for you or even help you to combine them to grow your business. Let's explore step by step in simple terms. Step 1. What is content writing? Content writing focuses on informing, educating, or entertaining an audience. The goal is to provide the value to the reader, build trust, and keep them engaged over a long term. Content writing will be in a form like blog post, how to do guides, ebooks, social media posters like informative and newsletters and case studies. If you need an example, here it is. If you're writing a blog on 5 tips for glowing skin, your aim is to give useful information that readers can follow. The focus is on helping the audience, not directly selling the product. What is copywriting? Copywriting, on the other hand, is all about influencing people. The goal is to convince the audience to take the action like buying a product, signing up for a service, or clicking the link. Copywriting can be used in the areas like sales pages, advertisements, product descriptions, sales-focused email campaigns, landing pages, and social media ads. And the example for copywriting is a copywritten Facebook ad for a skincare product might say, "Ready for glowing skin in just 7 days? Try out our Glow Boost Serum. Limited stock available. Buy now and get 20% offer." This is direct that aims to sell the product. It creates the urgency and highlights the benefits. Key difference between content writing and copywriting. The goal of content writing is to educate, engage, and entertain the people. This you can see in blogs, guides, and newsletters. While the goal of copywriting is driving action, this you can see in ads, product description, and sales pages. The tone of content writing, it should be informative and conversational, while the tone of copywriting, it should be convincing and action-oriented. By doing so, through content writing, you can build a long-term trust, while in copywriting, you can create an immediate result like sales or sign up. Let us try something new. Now we're gonna create an example comparing the both. Let's say you're promoting a skincare brand, a blog titled 5 ingredients for clear skin that mentions your product in a helpful tone. Example, vitamin C is a powerful ingredient that can brighten your skin tone. This serum contains 20% vitamin C, which is dermatologist approved. This gives the details about the product, so it is called content writing. A sales-focused Instagram ad like, "Say goodbye to the dull skin, try this serum and see visible result in just 7 days. Tap the link now for 20% offer, limited stock available." This tells the people to take some action. So this comes under copywriting. Which one should you use? Content writing or copywriting? If you're a beginner, start with content writing to build your skills, as it requires less aggressive selling. If you're running a business, use copywriting when you want immediate conversion. But the long-term success is in combining both copywriting and content writing. If you're doing freelancing, offer both as a package. For example, create blog posts for organic traffic and ads for quick sales. This is an important topic like how to combine both content writing and copywriting. Combining these two skills can create a strong marketing strategy. If you want to know how to combine these two things, first step you have to do is write an engaging blog post to attract readers. And second, you have to place a CTA at the end of the blog to persuade them to buy your product or service. Add CTA at end of the article. For example, if you're gonna start writing an article in a title, 5 reasons you should use a vitamin C serum, end of the article, create a CTA like, "Ready to transform your skin? Try our serum today." So when people want to buy them, immediately they will click the link. So this is how you can combine copywriting and content writing. Practical exercise for you to try. If you need exercise to try it on your own, first write a blog which comes under the content writing, like full-fledged blog on how to plan a budget-friendly vacation. Then write a catchy Instagram caption promoting a vacation package. Then combine them like blog post about traveling and include a CTA for a travel package. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, feel free to comment. So people, now you know the difference between content writing and copywriting and how to use them. Content writing is like the foundation that builds trust, and copywriting is the action step that drives result. If you master both, you will have a powerful skill set for any marketing strategy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel for more tips on content writing and digital marketing. See you in the next video.